Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to install Active Directory domain service. Okay, let's go to, need to open Server Manager first. Then go to Manage, Add Rules. Okay, click Next, click Next, Next. Here we need to select Active Directory domain services. Now click on Add Features. Next, next, next. I will click on restart. Once it is installed, it will restart the server virtual machine. I clicked on restart. It will take 10 to 15 minutes of time. I'm pausing the video now. Now installation is started. It will take more time. Now installation is completed. Okay, let me close this one. Now we need to do post installation. Okay, if you click on the flag symbol, yellow icon here, promote the server to the domain controller. Okay, I'm creating new domain. Okay, creating lab.com. You can give any name. Then click on next. Here no need to do any changes, just here give the password. To remember the all passwords, I'm giving same passwords in labs. Click next. Click next. Here net bias domain name, it will display automatically. Then after that, click next. Then no need to do any changes. Click next. Click next. Yeah. You can ignore the warnings. Now click on install. Installation, it will take time. Then once it is installation is completed, device like server, it will restart automatically. Now installation is completed. Now reboot pop-up came. It will restart automatically. Once it is restarted, then you need to log in with the domain account. That is lab.com. Now server is rebooted. Let me log in. Okay, I'm logging with the domain lab/administrator. Once you install the Active Directory, again, like we need to again switch off the firewall. Okay, I will show you. And we need to change the adapter settings as well, network adapter settings. Okay, all power firewalls are turned off. No need to do anything now. Let me check adapter as well in the properties. IPv4. Okay, here domain server IP is changed. Okay, we need to edit again 10 dot. One, click OK, click OK. Now cancel. Okay. Now we need to do reverse lookup zone. Let okay. Go to Windows Administrative Tools. Go to DNS. Okay, expand the server and reverse lookup zone. Okay, double click on that. Then right click new zone. Then click next, 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 next. Here you need to give the IP address 10 dot. Click next. Select the second radio button. Then click next. Then click finish. Okay. Reverse lookup zone configuration is completed. Now we need to create system management container. Okay. Go to again Windows Administrative Tools. ADSI edit. Okay, double click on ADSI edit or connect. Right click on connect. Okay, click on OK. Expand this. Expand. Okay. Here we need to create a container. Okay. Right click on system. New object. Select container. Then click next. Here we need to give the value. We need to give exact same. Like we need to check spell mistake as well. Then click next. Click finish. Okay. System management container is created. Now I'm giving permissions to the system management container. Okay. Right click on that system management container. Go to properties. Security. Okay. See, domain administrator full rights is there. Enterprise admin as well. We need to give the full rights, and now administrators also giving as a full rights. Okay. Then go to the advanced options. I think it is taking time. Okay. Now double click on domain admins. Okay. Here we need to select applies to second option. Click OK. Administrators as well. Double click on that. Here also select second one. Click OK. Already we given full rights. Okay, click OK. Enterprise admins as well. Giving the same permissions. It is already there. Then close it. Here administrators. Given double click on that. Here already is there. Then fine. Click on apply. Okay. Apply. Okay. Now AD configuration is completed. Now last step is we need to extract the schema. Okay. For that, I need to copy SCCM setup in AD Active Directory. Okay. We already given share folders, like that's why I'm able to see softwares here. Okay. Open this. Here you can able to see list of the softwares where you downloaded already. Okay. Now I'm copying SCCM setup file. Okay. Right click, copying to the desktop. Okay. Now open it. Like you need to unzip that now. Like it will create a folder in C drive. Okay, when you can go to the C drive. Here it is there. It will take time. You can wait. Okay, now unzip is completed successfully. Click OK, click close. Now go to C drive. Here it is there. Here it is extracted. Now go to CM setup bin 64 x64. Now press E on extend schema. It will be there. Okay, this is the file. You need to double click on that. It will automatically extract the schema. Okay. To confirm whether it is successfully completed or not, on C drive, one log file it will create. This is the log file. Once few successfully executed, if you open that, able to see here successfully extended Active Directory schema. Okay. This is the end of the video now. Okay, thanks for watching. In next video, I will start how to install SCCM server. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.